UGC NET JRF exam History Paper 2 December 2018. Note: this paper contains 100 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. Question number 1. Which of the following Mesolithic sites have exposed burials with skeletons of very tall height? 1. Adamgarh, 2. Bhimbetka, 3. Mahadaha, 4. Sarai Nahar Rai. Choose the correct answer from the quote given below. Quotes: A. 1 and 2, B. 1 and 3, C. 2 and 3, D. 3 and 4. And the answer is option D, 3 and 4. Mahadaha and Sarai Nahar Rai. Question number 2. Which of the following Harappan sites yielded camel bones? A. Kalibangan, B. Harappa, C. Lothal, D. Mohenjo-daro. And the answer is option A, Kalibangan. Question number 3. The location of the Vedic river Saraswati is indicated by its mention in the Nadistuti Sukta of the Rig Veda between A. Ganga and Yamuna, B. Yamuna and Sutudri, C. Sutudri and Asikni, D. Asikni and Vitastha. And the answer is option B, Yamuna and Sutudri. 4. The account of the great flood in which a divine fish has been described as rescuing Manu occurs in A. Rig Veda, B. Vajasaneyi Samhita, C. Satapatha Brahmana, D. Aithreya Brahmana. And the answer is option C, Satapatha Brahmana. Question number 5. Itihasa Purana has been mentioned as the 5th Veda in A. Aithreya Upanishad, B. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, C. Chandogya Upanishad, D. Shvetashvatara Upanishad. And the answer is option C, Chandogya Upanishad. Question number 6. Which Upanishad describes the philosophical dialogue between Yajnavalkya and Maitreyi? A. Brihadaranyaka, B. Shvetashvatara, C. Chandogya, D. Kausitaki. And the answer is option A, Brihadaranyaka. Question number 7. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason R. Read the statements and choose the correct answer using the code given below. Assertion A. Gautama Buddha believed in rebirth. Reason R. He did not accept the existence of permanent soul. The answer is both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question number 8. In Shravasti, Makhali Gosala usually stayed at the workshop of the lady Halahala, who belonged to the community of A. Potters, B. Carpenters, D. Goldsmiths, D. Ironsmiths. And the answer is option A, Potters. Question number 9. Katina ceremony of Buddhist Samha was related to A. Distribution of robes, B. Distribution of food, C. Distribution of worship objects, D. Distribution of medicines. And the answer is option A, distribution of robes. Which of the following regions was ruled by two kings with a council of elders during the time of Alexander's invasion in India? A. Kshatraka, B. Patala, C. Sibi, D. Saubuti. And the answer is option B, Patala. Ashoka's contemporary foreign king Turamaya was the ruler of A. Cyrene, B. Egypt, C. Epirus, D. Syria. And the answer is option B, Egypt. 12. A Kushan Devakula where statues of royal persons were kept has been found at A. Ahitshatra, B. Chamba, C. Mat, D. Garhi. And the answer is option C, Mat. 13. Which of the following represent inland markets in the Dakshinapatha as mentioned by the Peripulus of the Erythraean Sea? A. Amaravati and Nagarjunakonda. C. Kalyan and Kandheri. C. Nasik and Junar. D. Pratistan and Thahar. And the answer is option D, Pratistan and Thagir. 14. The earliest Ajanta painting is found in A. Caves number 1 and 2. B. Cave number 9. C. Caves number 16 and 17. D. Cave number 19. And the answer is option B, cave number 9. 15. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Dakshinapatha rulers of early Gupta age and their kingdom. A. Dhamana Erandapala. B. Hastivarman Vengi. C. Mantaraja Palaka. D. Nilaraja Amamukta. And the answer is option C, Mantaraja Palaka. 16. An inscription of the time of Kumaragupta mentions year 493 of the Malava era. Which of the following is its corresponding year? A. 415 AD, B. 436 AD, C. 550 AD, D. 571 AD. And the answer is option B, 436 AD. 17. Which of the following works gives a glimpses of an ancient Indian court? A. Malavikanimitra. B. Mrikshakashtika. C. Mudrakshasa. D. Ratnavali. And the answer is option B, Mrikshakastika. 18. Which of the following pairs of rulers and the titles is not correctly matched? A. Buddhagupta Paramadaivata. B. Kumaragupta Paramabhavatha. C. Pravarsenatu Parama Mageshwara. D. Harsha Parama Saugata. And the answer is option D, Harsha Parama Saugata. 19. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Lakshman Temple, Sirpur. Mahashivagupta Balarjuna. B. Mehuti Temple, Aihole. Ravikriti. C. Mallikarjuna Temple, Pattadakal. Trilokya Mahadevi. D. Vaikuntha Perumal Temple, Kanji. Nandivarman 2. And the answer is option A, Lakshman Temple, Sirpur, Mahashivagupta Balarjuna. 20. Which of the following temples of North India has a Sikhara of Dravidian type? A. Brahmeshwara Temple of Orissa. B. Kardameshwara Temple of Varanasi. C. Parsvanatha Temple of Khajuraho. D. Telika Mandir of Gwalior. And the answer is option D, Telika Mandir of Gwalior. 21. The jewel of which of the following Orison temples is Pancharatha? 1. Lingaraja. 2. Mukteshwara. C. Raja Rani. 4. Parasurameshwara. Choose the correct answer from the quotes given below. Quotes: A. Only 1. B. Only 4. C. 3 and 4. D. 1, 2 and 3. And the answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3. That is Lingaraja, Mukteshwara and Rajarani. Question number 22. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Read the statements and choose the correct answer using the code given below. Assertion A. The Kalachuri king Kangeya Deva was famous as Vikramaditya. Reason R. He issued gold coins of Lakshmi type. Quotes. The answer is both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 23. Kumara Devi, a queen of Govindachandra Kahadawala, constructed a Buddhist vihara at A. Bodh Gaya, B. Nalanda, C. Sarnath, D. Sravasti. And the answer is option C, Sarnath. 24. Which of the following pairs of founders and capital cities is not correctly matched? A. Amogha Varsha Manyakhetha. B. Avantivarman Avantipura. C. Lalitaditya Parihasapura. D. Mahendrapala Mahodaya. And the answer is Mahendrapala Mahodaya. Question number 25. Match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct answer from the code given below. List 1 writer, list 2 patron king. Hemachandra Kumarapala, Jayadeva Lakshmana Sena, Shamendra Ananta, Rajashekara Mahendrapala. Question number 26. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Work author. A. Naramamala Shamendra. B. Ratnavali Harsha. C. Pratimanathaka Basha. D. Malati Madhava Bharavi. And the answer is option D, Malati Madhava Bharavi. Question number 27. Who among the following poets called himself Kaligala Valmiki? A. Bhavabuddhi. B. Kalidasa. C. Rajashekara. D. Sandhyakaranandi. And the answer is option D, Sandhyakaranandi. 28. Who among the following is the oldest commentator of Rigveda? A. Madhava Bhatta. B. Sayana. C. Skandaswami. D. Venkata Madhava. And the answer is option C, Skandaswami. 29. An inscription of 1121 AD refers to a medical school teaching the Charaka Samhita and Astanga Hridaya of Vagbhata at A. Nalanda. B. Tiruvadurai. C. Vallabi. D. Varanasi. And the answer is option B, Tiruvadurai. 30. Who among the following rulers restored the Somanatha temple of Gujarat after its destruction by Mahmud Khalji? A. Bhoja. B. Jayasimha. C. Karna. D. Kumarapala. And the answer is option D, Kumarapala. 31. Abhinava Gupta was a famous acharya of which of the following schools? A. Pratyaya Bijna. B. Pasupatha. C. Lingayatha. D. Kapalika. And the answer is option A, Pratyaya Bijna. 32. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Read the statements and choose the correct answer using the code given below. Assertion. Nanadesi Trading Corporation claimed to have wandered in several countries. Reason. They are mentioned in a fragmentary Tamil inscription of 11th century from Lobutuva in Sumatra. Answer is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 33. Paramartha stayed in China over 20 years and translated 70 Buddhist texts into Chinese there. He was from A. Kanji, B. Nalanda, C. Varanasi, D. Ujjain. The answer is option D, Ujjain. 34. Which of the following pairs of authors and their work is not correctly matched? A. Hasan Nizami, Tariq-e-Sahib. B. Minhaj-i-Sirai, Tabakat-i-Nasiri. C. Amir Khusrau, Hashrat Bihishit. D. Ziauddin Barani, Fatawa-i-Jahandhari. And the answer is option A, Hasan Nizami, Tariq-e-Sahib. 35. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Read the statements and choose the correct answer using the code given below. Assertion A. Slavery was an institution that had long existed both in South and North India. Reason R. Lekhapadhati mentions that slaves could not be obtained by capture in military raids or free persons could not offer themselves for slavery out of destitution. And the answer is A is true but R is false. 36. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Read the statements and choose the correct answer using the code given below. Assertion A. The semi-divine origins of the family of Chengiz Khan, coupled with the enormous prestige of his success and career, had made his house an object of inspiration and awe and had preserved sovereignty in his family up to the 16th century. Reason R. Such was the spell of the house of Chengiz Khan that even Timur thought it advisable to exercise full power in the name of the descendant of Chengiz Khan and felt contented with the humble title of Amir or Beg. Answer is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 37. One camel goes for a penny, dung, but who has a penny? The above statement, Jauddin Bharani, is referring to the state of affairs of which of the following sultan's reign? A. Alauddin Khalji. B. Qutbuddin Mubarak Shah Khalji. C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. D. Firuz Tughlaq. And the answer is option A, Alauddin Khalji. 38. In those days, entertainments were common. During the days of the pilgrimages and on the last Wednesday of the month of Safar, it was difficult to find sitting accommodation in the public enclosures, in the public gardens, or by the side of the tanks. There was music and dancing on every side. These feasts would cost a tanka or more. Whose reign was Sheikh Nasruddin Chirag talking about? A. Balban. B. Alauddin Khalji. C. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. D. Muhammad Tughlaq. The answer is option B, Alauddin Khalji. 39. When the Sultan changed his clothes and beddings, they were sold and the money obtained was given away as dowry to orphan girls. Identify this Lodi Sultan. A. Ibrahim Lodi. B. Sikandar Lodi. C. Bahlol Lodi. D. Malik Kala. And the answer is option B, Sikandar Lodi. 40. Which of the following statements are correct? 1. Vallabhacharya was a Brahman of Andhra Pradesh but lived in Banaras. 2. The first to be initiated by Vallabhacharya was Damodar Das with the Brahma Sambandha mantra. 3. In Vallabha Sampradaya, the Gaddi of the Guru remained confined strictly to his descendants. None of his disciples was authorized to initiate others. 4. According to Vallabha, Purva Mimamsa and Uttara Mimamsa are two different ways of propounding the nature of Brahma, and the true Shastra is the Gita. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. Codes A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 2, 3 and 4 only, D 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the answer is option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. 41. The spiritual successors of Sheikh Bayazid were known by different names in different regions. In this regard, which of the following is not correctly matched? A. Ishqiya, Central Asia and Iran. B. Bistamiya, Turkey. C. Satharia, India. D. Nurbakshiya, Egypt. And the answer is Nurbakshiya, Egypt. 42. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Read the statements and choose the correct answer using the code given below. Assertion A. Mid-14th century witnessed the independence of Mabar and Bengal and the establishment of the Vijayanagar Empire and Bahmani Sultanate in the peninsula. Reason R. In the closing years of his reign, Muhammad Tughlaq went soft towards the regional powers and allowed them to exercise more autonomy. The answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 43. Maulana Kabir had been Sultan's tutor but has gone away to Herat to seek knowledge. The Sultan recalled him and made him Shaykhul Islam. Identify this Sultan of Kashmir who honored his tutor. A. Sultan Qutbuddin. B. Sultan Sikandar. C. Sultan Ali Shah. D. Sultan Jainul Abidin. The answer is option D, Sultan Jainul Abidin. 44. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Read the statements and choose the correct answer using the code given below. Assertion A. Ghulam Adham advocates an alliance between Latin Christians and Ignite Persia based on his assumption that Mamluk Egypt would be the common enemy for both. Reason are, the vision and plan of a naval blockade to cut off Indian commerce with Egypt via Red Sea was a novel idea but could never be put to practice. However, it was nearly realized almost 2 centuries later by the Portuguese. And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation of A. 45. This emperor urged the locals and other officials not to injure the travelers and merchants, and not to lay their hands on the property of the merchants if any one of them should die by accident and without heirs. Also, officials were to purchase goods from the merchants only at the market price. Identify this ruler. A. Sher Shah, B. Akbar, C. Jahangir, D. Shah Jahan. The answer is option A. Sher Shah. 46. Who said the following in the context of defining his relationship with his foster community? Between me and Aziz is a river of milk that I cannot cross. A. Babar, B. Humayun, C. Akbar, D. Jahangir. And the answer is option C. Akbar. 47. Rafiuddin Shiraji, who came from Persia, writes that I was standing in a tent enclosure amidst a crowd in Agra when all of a sudden the cry of God save the king went up. I realized that the king had arrived. I saw that a youth of 20 years was leaning on a favorite. I guessed that he must be the king. The people performed no courtesies or salutation to him. I was greatly surprised and asked whether there is no tradition of paying respects to the king. They replied that the etiquette for courtesies is much more elaborate, but the king himself is not most informal. He makes no distinction between companions and strangers. A. Akbar, B. Jahangir, C. Jahandar Shah, D. Muhammad Shah Rangila. And the answer is option A. Akbar. 48. The concept of Watan Jahir emerged at the end of Akbar's reign. Which of the following statements are correct pertaining to Watan Jahir? 1. It was a permanent and hereditary assignment. 2. To punish an assignee, it could be confiscated. 3. To reward an Amir, new Watan Jahir could be created. 4. Part of the revenues of the Watan Jahir could be given in Inam. Choose the correct answer from the code given below. Codes A. 2 and 4 only, B. 1, 3 and 4 only, C. 1, 2, 3 and 4, D. 3 and 4 only. And the answer is option C. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 49. Which of the following statements are correct in regard to the grants to women? A. Abdul Fazl speaks of grants held by Irani and Turani women. 2. Jahangir appointed a foster sister of his father as the special official in charge of grants to women. 3. Mazar-i-Jazahani refers to two categories of Chaks lands of the Aima, the Chakha Musamati lands held by women and Musakharati held by men. 4. Aurangzeb's farman of 1690 about Madad-i-Mash deprived a daughter of her share if she was married or otherwise provided for, and it laid down that a widow might keep her husband's grant for her lifetime. Choose the correct answer from the code below. Given below. Codes A. 1 and 2 only, B. 1, 3 and 4 only, C. 2 and 4 only, D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the answer is option D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 50. When Shah Jahan separated the office of Karori Amil, revenue collector, and Amin assessor, what percent of the share of Karori was fixed in Shah Jahan's period? A. From 5% it was reduced to 2.5%. B. From 2% it was reduced to 1%. C. From 7.5% it was reduced to 5%. D. From 8% it was reduced to 5%. And the answer is option D. From 8% it was reduced to 5%.